So I've not long arrived in Devon in Brooksham, don't know, but I need to sort my face out, put some makeup on for tonight, going up to the clubhouse, seeing what that's all about. But I need to also sort my bed out. It's a bit of a mess right now because I haven't unpacked. I'm going to make a coffee. Actually, I think my stepmom has made me one, but it's such a nice view. Like when we're outside, I will show you guys. I'll show you. You can't really see at the moment. There's a really nice view over there. I will show you a bit later, but it's so beautiful. The bedding is also super cute. Like John Fowler holiday parks, so cute, and they have them already made up. So cute. It was such a long journey. Due to it being so long and obviously us getting here so late, there's not a lot we can do, so we are going up the club, which I will also include in the vlog. We went there earlier to check it out, see what it looks like, and oh my god, it's so cute. Like blue chairs, but they're comfy chairs. Like they look so cute. It's quite small, but it's really nice. I'll show you later. I'm gonna put some makeup on and I'll be back. I am all done. I'm gonna show you the view now because it's really nice. Make sure I don't trip. I'll show you it now. Like, I just thought that was a really cute view with the sunset. So this is the front of the caravan. It's really cute actually. Never been to Devon before, so new experience. This is my little brother. He also has a YouTube account. It's ethantheavenger. I'll put it in the description. Oh, I've dyed my hair as well. It kind of looks purple on camera, but it's actually like a dark red. But it's brighter than I thought, if that makes any sense at all. I've literally just spotted there is a tiny little bend there. It's a bit in a weird place. I thought maybe it would be like around this sort of bit, but yeah. This is how the table was set up when we came in. It's so cute. So we are just leaving to go to the club, but I had to get this on a vlog. It's so beautiful. Wow.
Put your hand here and say, hello Kenny! Hi Kenny. Kenny, what have you been doing today? Yes, you Kenny.
Today we are in Brixham. My hair's a mess. We're going to the harbour, so that should be fun. It looks really nice around here. Random shops though. Decided to put my hair down. We're just trying to find a parking spot right now. Look how nice that view is all up there. It looks so nice. We still can't find a parking spot right now. We have finally found a parking spot. Same my little bro. The weather looks actually quite nice. The stairs we go. Oh my days. I can smell some type of food. It's starting to rain now, but I'm going to show you this boat. It's so beautiful. Look at that.
There's stones on there. Are we at a Seagull?
No,
Golden
where are they?
pine. And that statue.
You have to send that one to me from me and your dad.
So we're back at the caravan now, and I had a really blue sweet, but I didn't realise how blue it would make my tongue. Looks really funny. I'm going to vlog a bit later as well. It's sort of between 2 days, obviously last night and today. I did miss out on vlogging the club last night. Got like the tiniest little bit, but completely it just went through my mind and I forgot, so I will do that. Now I am just sitting and reading my book, of course, Saffron Barker. So yeah, see you guys later.
Possibility that I know someday that it won't turn out. You make me
my dinner, cheesy chips, gravy, onion rings and garlic mushrooms. Bit of a weird combination, but my favourite thing ever. So we are in, where are we? Paynton. Paynton? Got a cola slushy. It's so warm. The seagull took your donut. The seagull took donut off my stepmom's hand. But look how nice it is. There's so many seagulls that keep coming. Where's the other seagull? The massive one. It's gone.
That one.
Where? Oh. So my little brother has got a spade and he's waiting for a bucket, and you're going to be making sandcastles.
Yeah.
Don't get scared with the seagulls though.
Yeah. Can I go down to the sea and shoot them?
There's little boats. There's like that one and then there's that. I just see it's quite funny. Go on, Eve.
Coming in the cow then.
It didn't work again. Back at the caravan. Nice curry. Onion bhajis, but they are burnt. What are they? Still nice. So I forgot to end my vlog the other day, so complete different day. Keep forgetting because it's all new. But yeah, overall the weather was so nice and everything. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon.